Good morning, Ken. Good morning, everyone. Again, if you just joined us, I'm Johnny. That's Ken.
Sleepy Ken.
That's Sleepy Ken. And we're the Bird Fellas. So we have arrived in Labadee, Haiti. If you can see through there, the part of the mountains. I'll get a better view later. Right now it's like a little bit after 7, so we're eating breakfast. Ken got his salmon and bagels and tater tots and omelet. I have the meats: bacon, chicken sausage, corned beef, hash, ham and cheese omelet, hash browns, and a croissant. So he's sleepy because it's like really early. So, but we had to get up so we can go do our excursions and stuff like that. So we're gonna take a bite to eat, and we're gonna wrap this up, and then go back to the room and get our stuff, and then we're gonna get off the ship. Right? All right.
We got our little lounger for 2. This was $49. I think it was worth it, especially for Johnny. Actually, me too, because I don't want to get burnt. So it's early in the morning, but it's going to get hot and sunny. So this is a beautiful beach. There's a zip line that Johnny will be doing later. I will not. He will take you on that ride. What we're about to do is go do the roller coaster thingy. So that's what we're about to do.
All right, Ken, we're getting ready to go on the dragon coaster. Here I am. So I'm gonna take y'all along with the ride with me. Maybe a little fudgy, but because fingerprints all over it. But we're getting ready to go on the dragon coaster over there. I don't know if you can see it. That's the zip line. That's what I'm doing later. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Oh my God! Oh man! Oh! Yeah! Oh! Oh! Oh man, that was fun. It was fun. I had a blast on it. I went fast. I don't know how fast Ken went. Ken said he ain't want to slide his fat ass off the coaster. Well, we'll bleep that out. Sorry.
It was a lot of fun. I don't do heights. I can do roller coasters, but this isn't like a real roller coaster.
It's like a bobsled.
It's like a self-made roller coaster in the mountain.
Bobsled. But it was,
and there were a couple good
it was
little...
very fast. It looked turns. And
I was
it was
fine
steep.
with the hills. It was the turns that was kind of getting me.
So it was kind of like, ooh. So I had to put out the brakes on some parts of it, but it was fun. I highly recommend it. You know, just, you know, if you want to do all day, you can. It's just like $10 more. But we had a wonderful time. So.
And we went in the morning, so I'm assuming in the afternoon it's probably
gonna be
faster
packed.
because of the heat.
Yeah.
The speed.
Oh, I was like, yeah.
Because people at that point in the heat of the day.
Yeah.
So it's probably even faster later on in the day.
Okay.
We went first thing in the morning because we're gonna do beach, and then Johnny has a zip line this afternoon.
Yeah. So and here's the beach. That's Barefoot Beach.
And look at all the doggies.
Labadee. I already got that.
You show the doggy?
Yes. So that's where we're going. So we're gonna go chill on the beach, and I'm gonna get some underwater footage too, because I'm gonna do a little bit of snorkeling too. So we'll see you in a bit. So
We enjoy.
I think say Jamaica. Not yet. Jamaica's tomorrow. We're in Labadee. So here is everything. There's the beach. So and look at the zip line. I'll be doing that again. So it's pretty wavy out here. So
So the beach is rocky, but not like sharp rocks. It's like smooth stone rocks.
yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but if your feet are a little sensitive and you don't want to walk on it, I recommend some good water shoes.
Yeah.
So I mean, there's some big chunks that I stepped on already, but yeah, this is vacation.
So we will say this. I don't know if Haiti was hit by the seaweed last year.
But it don't look like it.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know how, when we were on our cruise last year, if you remember the videos from Mexico
really bad.
and Belize, the seaweed was really bad. They did a great job at cleaning it up.
But it just kept coming back.
Yeah. Here, I don't see any seaweed.
Yeah.
So I don't know if they were hit by it or not, but there's none here.
Yeah. And the water is pretty clear, but not as clear. So I'm going to try do some snorkeling. We may not see much because I'm not in a designated snorkeling area, so probably just see just water and rocks and stuff. But I'm gonna do that later. So as we get knocked over by waves. And then our clam chair is right there. So
It's a beautiful beach,
You know,
guys. It is absolutely gorgeous here.
I mean, I recommend you spend a little extra bucks to get your lounge chair, because that way you right in front of the beach. You ain't gotta go nowhere, and you don't have to really get lockers because they watch your lounge chairs.
So let's talk about this. Who doesn't love a beach next to the mountains?
I guess.
I mean, this is just absolutely gorgeous.
I guess.
All right, so we're gonna enjoy this for a little bit.
Yeah, and I'm gonna do some snorkeling, so I'll get some footage of that too. So, bye.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now.
Ready to do the practice, so I'm still get some more footage. I'm nervous as I get ready to do it, so I'm gonna get ready to do it.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
to escape.
All right, y'all, I'm going.
Driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea. Think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose.
Y'all, I did it. Oh my God.
Yeah. Hey guys, what's going on? I think I'm looking in the right way.
Look on the side.
Let's see.
Hey, you can't see me.
Yeah, you really can't see Johnny. So I'm gonna video. So we decided to do dinner at Giovanni's. It's a specialty restaurant. It's $35 a person. It's not bad. You get your normal appetizer, entree, dessert. We have the beverage package, so that one's included. But I think it's going to be really good. It's Johnny got the pancetta for the appetizer, filet mignon for dinner. We haven't done our dessert yet. I got the steamed mussels for my appetizer, and then I got the veal for my entree. Those of you who know me, I typically do a vegetarian style eating, but today I crossed over to the dark side today. Ended up getting meat today, so I'll go back tomorrow. But I already know what I want for dessert, even though I didn't order yet. I'm doing the tiramisu because I love tiramisu. So once the food comes out, we'll show it to you, take some video. We've had an amazing day today, and I think we're going to end it. Well, not end it. But we're going to have an amazing dinner. So
we'll recap after dinner.
Yeah. So I can't wait for the mussels. I think they're going to be really good.
All right. So that's what it was. And that other thing,
Johnny got the pork belly
with arugula and pear. This is shaved pear. So in this pork belly,
that looks really good.
AKA bacon. And the syrup.
That looks super good.
It does. And
Yummy.
that's good.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going sideways. So I got the mussels. My line got good. Good.
So give it a thumbs up, yes?
Yep, thumbs up.
All right.
All right, guys. Here is the dinner for tonight. This looks so good. This is the gnocchi, the filet
Mignon.
and then the veal. So we're gonna dig into this. We're gonna let you know how it is after we eat, because this is a lot of food. Desserts are in. There you go.
Yeah, I already did. Chocolate hazelnut.
Yeah, we already started eating. Sorry, guys. And I got the tiramisu. It's really good. Thumbs up.
Yay.
All right, we're gonna eat this, guys. Sorry.
You gotta put it at an angle. Why you always do that?
Hey, everyone.
Hey. Oh my God. So stupid. Anyway, hello everyone. Good
What's up?
evening. Good late night.
Yeah, we're sleepy. It's gonna be. We're gonna end the night tonight here.
So recap after dinner. The last video y'all probably seen that the last part of this video that you seen. We was at Giovanni's table. Dinner was good.
Good dinner.
It was amazing. It put us in a food coma. I'm not gonna lie. It was so much and so good. So if you want to see pictures of that or what we ate and how everything was, check out our Instagram, and there'll be plenty of pictures.
So we went to the Love and Marriage show.
Well, we went to a show before that.
Oh, we did the headliner show, which I really enjoyed. It was good classic rock.
I enjoyed some bits and pieces, the songs that I knew, because that's not my genre of music.
I mean, it's before me as well.
Yeah, they mostly did a lot of British artists.
Yeah,
so it was like Bon Jovi, Queen, and well, I mean, in the beginning they did a Bon Jovi song.
Right. The second half was the British, but
I know, yeah, but they went to Queen,
they did like Billy Idol and Queen,
Billy Idol, all of them, yeah.
You know, Beatles, but they did just some good classic rock, some well-known stuff. So if you love music, you would know a majority of the songs,
right?
But even me, for my age, it's way before my time,
right?
Me as a kid, so. Extremely talented group of men.
Yeah.
They're beautiful voices, really can sing, really talented.
Southampton.
They're from the UK, yeah.
So the UK,
so they were good.
They're British.
They were good. So definitely a good show to go see. So definitely recommend going to see the show.
And the group is called
OLV, Old Lady
Valentine. Yes, Old Lady Valentine. Our Lady Valentine.
Our Lady Valentine. Yeah. Now the next show that we saw was the Love and Marriage game show.
If y'all have not seen any Love and Marriage shows on cruises, you got to go to one.
It was hilarious.
This was our first one that we attended. It was
guys, it's a must see. You really have to see it. If you go on a cruise and they have a Love and Marriage show,
it was funny.
It's hilarious.
I mean,
it's definitely adult.
Yeah.
Adult only. Kids
stay in your rooms because it's 18 and over, so it's some bleeps and censor stuff. So it was funny. It was funny.
It was great. So I must see.
Yeah.
So on that note, we're gonna go to bed. Tomorrow we have Jamaica. Plus my arm is hurting from holding up the camera. So, so
I'm just tired.
Tomorrow is Jamaica. We do have an excursion, so you'll get to see that tomorrow. And then I'm not really sure what else we're gonna do. Hopefully, there's some stuff to do
around in the port. Yeah. We're going to Falmouth, however you want to say it. But we're going to that port, so which is far from Ocho Rios. Most of the cruise ships do go to Ocho Rios, but we're going to Falmouth. And
so we'll take you along on the tour tomorrow. And we're going to a plantation house. I think it's a banana plantation house or a tobacco plantation house. I don't remember. So anyway, you'll see us tomorrow because we're going to bed because I still look like a lobster. And
yeah, I'm on. So I'm going to get some jerk chicken.
And I'm starting to feel because my arm hurts.
All right. Good night.
Good night, guys. Shake it.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place.